The power of plasma. Since the beginning of time, plasma energy has been at the foundation of our existence. At the dawn of the new millennium, innovative scientists and engineers began harnessing plasma energy and plasma energetics for a myriad of uses. The team at General Vibronics has pioneered the research and design of platform technologies capable of generating cold atmospheric plasma for innovative applications in healthcare, hygiene, hydration, and hydroponics. Using proprietary intellectual property, we have created the first device of its kind. The MIRARI, a miniaturized generator with full resonant frequency control and a unique sensory array, delivering a corona discharge with thousands of plasma plumes capable of surface and near-surface contact in highly customizable delivery form factors, the effect of which is to stimulate reactive oxygen and nitrogen species generation, forming on-demand chemical compounds that deactivate microbes and work at the cellular level, thereby enhancing the body's own immune system response. Evidence from research conducted on monocytes demonstrate high levels of dendritic cell and macrophage involvement when exposed to cold atmospheric plasma. Concomitantly, such actions are also evident in wound healing, which research shows is also dependent on such involvement, as well as the control of various cell types, growth factors, cytokines, and extracellular matrix components, all of which are highly responsive to the vibrational effects of plasma. Our product pipeline is full of medical application modalities, ranging from dental and periodontal treatment applications to unique oncology mediation, and from wound care to intransigent biofilm mycosis such as toe fungus. We have also developed hygiene control applications for medical and personal use. And of course, we have other applications planned for personal water purification, hydroponics, soil revitalization, and allotrope production for discrete laboratory uses. Like the Titan of old, Prometheus, we seek to bring humanity something that will forever change the world as we know it. Taming states of nature for the betterment of humanity is our global vision at General Vibronics, because the fourth state matters.